Hi guys, good evening. So now we'll be to give it to you the new update here in our place in Sharma, uh, near in our camp. So now they are updated to you to our videos. This is for the cabin, the last update. So today is Pride's Day, so that's why we don't have the people are keeping to work. So start tomorrow. Tomorrow it's Saturday. So guys, I just want to show it to you that is see, sorry guys, look at that. That is what I said to you, that like a silver with the foam inside. This like a Saudi rock wool. Yeah, the like a wool support. Yeah, they are like a silver with the foam. Yes, so they are put it in the siding and the ceiling for protection of hot and cold. So guys, to other matters to here, we'll see. So you can see that the stand, so means this one is barrier. So now they are reducing our place here. Before, you can see that a little bit zoom. Yeah, if you see there, that is like a concrete, small concrete, the wall, and they are the near in the sea. Before is working in there in LSD department. So now, so LSD is no longer to here and no more here in Sharma. Only this camp, but other location that is LSD department, they are still still working. So see that the gate there, so a little bit far away. So now we'll be moving here. Yes, see, here is the line. If you see, this the line, the barrier. So, and also the another one, see, they are removing there, and then we will be put it here. So this is the line. Yeah, because this Sharma will be soon to be closed, but as of moment they will be to extended until to the as per that information is the last Ramadan this coming year to 2025. So, and then after that there are people are moving to another project. So look at other camp there, maybe there are some contract to build there, so that's why it's a new, and a little bit people there are resident there. So maybe future, or maybe around after 4 to 5 months before that is people will be to accommodate, because you need to more security and what is called this, need to full furnished facilities for that. So will be to move. So look at the sun still up, and the time is 7:30 in the evening, because this place, it is looks like a very by what is called this, it is last I don't do take the words of that, but this is looks like a little bit late to be a sunset here in this area in Tabuk. Actually this Tabuk is the what is called this, the the edge of the Saudi Arabia, like a borders to the Egypt and Jordans here in Tabuk. So I will show it to you. this one to this place. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and then I will give it to you new update. Okay guys, thank you, bye.